Hello children, welcome to the world of Science Explorica. So बच्चों, my name is Bhagyashri and we are going to get into the world of science. अब आपको पता है आपके आसपास जो भी चीज़ें होती है, whatever is there, whether it is natural, whether it is man-made, everything has science behind it, okay, and there is a reason why it has been made, and most of the things are made because of scientific reasons and using scientific formulas and requirements. So बच्चों, जैसे कि जब हम science पढ़ेंगे, we will come to know कि why things are happening around us, why is the nature in a particular manner, what does it do for us. So many different questions that keep bothering you all the time. उन सारे questions के जवाब आपको मिलेंगे when we get into all these chapters, and your knowledge is going to get enhanced. Basically आपको समझेगा कि क्यों चीज़ें होती है. So let's explore all the chapters and learn them in order to understand the science behind everything, and let's explore it quickly. Chapter 7, Keeping Healthy and Fit. So children, we have learnt about different body parts. Okay, we've learnt about the sense organs. But सिर्फ body parts और sense organs से तो काम नहीं चलेगा. हमें अपने body की देखभाल भी करनी है. Okay, so that is the reason why we are trying to keep it neat and clean also. But there are certain more things that we need to follow in order to keep ourselves more fit and healthy. So let's talk about that in this chapter. So what are our learning goals? Okay, in this chapter we'll talk about eating well, keeping our home clean, rest and sleep, keeping yourself clean, exercise and play. Okay, so all these things is what we are going to talk about in this chapter. Okay, ये हमारे learning goals होने वाले हैं. So let's get started. Help Tarun to follow his daily routine by numbering the pictures in correct sequence. So अब तरुण को एक daily routine follow करना है, okay? तो आपको उसकी help करनी है so that you number the pictures and he can follow it, okay? And he has a good daily routine then. So staying fit means staying healthy. जब हम fit रहते हैं, हम healthy रहते हैं, okay? हमारे आसपास बीमारियाँ बहुत कम भटकती है, okay? So if we fall ill, we cannot play and have fun. So we must keep ourselves fit. क्योंकि हम अगर बीमार हो गए, so we'll not be able to do anything. सिर्फ बेड में पड़े रहेंगे. इसके लिए it's better to be fit and healthy, okay? So in order to stay fit and healthy, you need to have a good routine life, okay? जिसमें आता है eating well, maintaining hygiene, regular exercise, playing outdoors, taking proper rest and sleeping well, okay? ये सारी चीज़ें करने के बाद हमारी body रहेगी fit and healthy. So you have to have good eating habits, okay? अच्छा खाना खाना चाहिए, okay? साफ सुथरा रहना चाहिए, exercise करनी चाहिए, खेलना चाहिए, okay? And rest भी करना चाहिए and सोना भी चाहिए, okay? So what do you mean by eating well? Food gives us energy to work and play. It also helps us to grow. So we should eat clean and healthy food. Some food items are not healthy. They are called junk food. Okay, for example, pizza, burger, samosa, kachori, etc. We should not eat these items very often. We should eat fruits and vegetables in plenty. We need to drink milk every day. We must drink 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. Okay, so हमें खाने की ज़रूरत तो डेली होती है, ओके? वी नीड टू हैव फूड, ओके? क्यों? बिकॉज फूड से हमें मिलती है एनर्जी, ओके? नाउ दिस एनर्जी हेल्प्स अस टू वर्क, दैट मीन्स टू स्टडी ऑल्सो, टू डू डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज़, और खेलने के लिए भी हमें ये एनर्जी हम यूज़ करते, ओके? सो एट द सेम टाइम ये खाना जो है उसमें से जो न्यूट्रिशंस हमें मिलते हैं उससे हमारी जो ग्रोथ है वो अच्छी हो जाती है, ओके? सो वी मस्ट ईट नीट, क्लीन, ओके, एंड हेल्दी फूड. ओके, देर आर सर्टन फूड आइटम्स जो फास्ट फूड्स होते हैं जो खाने में मज़ा तो आता है, टेस्ट तो मिलती है, बट यू नो दे आर नॉट गुड फॉर आवर हेल्थ. जैसे पिज्ज़ा हो गया, burger, samosa, kachori. So if you have them once in a while, it's okay, but not on a regular basis. All right, so we should not eat these items very often. So once in a while, किसी का birthday है, कुछ special occasion है, so that becomes like a cheat day. Okay, but otherwise you have to eat good healthy food every day. So we should also incorporate हमारे खाने में fruits होने चाहिए, vegetables होनी चाहिए. Okay, we must drink milk every day. Okay, those who are non-vegetarians, they can also eat eggs and meat. Okay, and we must also have water. Okay, water बहुत important होते हैं because it helps us to wash out the food that we've eaten from our body. All right, so we should at least have 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. So always wash your hands before eating food. Also wash fruits and vegetables properly before eating. We must chew our food properly before swallowing it. So हमेशा okay, आप जब भी खाना खाने बैठोगे उसके पहले अपने हाथ धोने हैं, बिकॉज हम लोग यहाँ वहाँ सब जगह पे टच करते हैं. ओके, और फिर अगर हम हाथ नहीं धोएंगे तो हमारे हाथों में जो जर्म्स, जो सारे कुछ बैक्टीरिया जो भी कुछ बैठ जाता है ओके आस सराउंडिंग से, वो हमारे पेट में चला जाएगा ओके थ्रू द फूड दैट वी आर ईटिंग. सो इसकी वजह से अच्छे से हाथों को विथ सोप एंड वाटर वी मस्ट वॉश देम बिफोर वी ईट आवर फूड. नॉट ओनली दैट, जो भी खाना हम खा रहे जैसे फ्रूट्स ओके, if we are eating them we should wash them thoroughly. Vegetables should be washed before being cooked. Okay, and raw vegetables जब हम खाते हैं as salad, they should be also neatly washed. Okay, also it is very important कि जो हम खाना खा रहे हैं उसको हमने अच्छे से चबाना है. We have to chew it properly so that we are able to digest that food properly. Okay, so how many meals should we have every day? We should have at least 3 meals a day. Okay, and we must not skip our meal. Okay, हमें अपना meal skip नहीं करना है. Okay, we must eat fresh and nutritious food to avoid illness. Okay, so कि अगर हमें बीमारी से बचना है तो हमें fresh और nutritious खाना खाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Fun fact, regular consumption of soft drinks and junk food, they have harmful effects on our body. जब अगर हम सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक्स लेते हैं या जंक फूड खाते हैं तो उसकी वजह से हमारी बॉडी पे हार्मफुल इफ़ेक्ट्स हो सकते हैं. वी कैन कीप ऑन फॉलिंग सिक बिकॉज वी आर नॉट गेटिंग द न्यूट्रिशन जो हमारी बॉडी के लिए ज़रूरी है. Remember one thing, you should never waste food. Okay, बहुत से लोग हैं इस दुनिया में जिनको दो वक्त का खाना भी नहीं मिलता है. And there are so many children, okay, you must have seen on the roads and all, who beg for food, and that is the reason why instead of wasting food, okay, always remember there is always a hungry stomach somewhere. So do not waste the food. So let's explore. Now what are we going to do? We are going to make a healthy breakfast. Soak some green gram overnight. Next morning, ask your mother to tie them in wet cloth. Keep the cloth wet all the time. By the next morning, you will see small white sprouts coming out of the green gram. Take these sprouts in a bowl. Add some salt, pepper and lemon juice. If you like, you can also add finely chopped onions and tomato. Your healthy breakfast is ready. Okay, so आपको overnight कुछ मूंग भिगो के रखने हैं. Okay, and फिर आपको बताना है अपनी मम्मी को नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग में कि उन जो मूंग आपने भिगा के रखे हैं ना उसको एक क्लॉथ में रैप करने के लिए. Okay, आप देखोगे कि उसके नेक्स्ट डे आप देखोगे कि उसमें से स्मॉल वाइट स्प्राउट्स आ रहे हैं. नाउ दीज स्प्राउट्स ओके विच कम आउट ओके दीज ग्रीन ग्राम विद द स्प्राउट ओके दे आर वेरी गुड फॉर हेल्थ. ओके, सो उसमें आप सॉल्ट, पेपर, लाइम जूस सब ऐड करके यू कैन हैव अ डिलीशियस salad type of a breakfast in the morning. Okay, you can also add onions and tomatoes to it and it's going to be very tasty. All right, so after talking about food, it's time to talk about how you can keep yourself clean. So to remain healthy, we need to stay clean. We must follow healthy hygiene habits. Let's read about this. So in order to remain clean, we need to follow some hygiene habits. Okay, so brush your teeth twice a day, once in the morning and once before going to bed. Second is take a bath with soap and water every day. Okay, wipe yourself with a clean towel. Okay, so हर दिन अच्छे से आपको नहाना है. ओके, और अपने आप को अच्छे साफ सुथरे टाल से वाइप करना है. ओके, यू मस्ट वेयर क्लीन क्लोथ्स, यू मस्ट कोम योर हेयर. ओके, एंड स्टे टाइडी. ओके, कीप देम टाइडी. ट्रिम योर नेल्स रेगुलरली. हमारे जो नाखून होते हैं उनको हमें कट करते रहना चाहिए, क्योंकि क्या होता है, नाखून में डस्ट जाके बैठ जाती है. ओके, हम लोग यहाँ वहाँ टच करते हैं तो डस्ट एंटर्स आवर नेल्स. ओके, एंड देन व्हेन वी आर ईटिंग द फूड, इफ वी डोंट वॉश देम प्रॉपर्ली, ओके, दैट डस्ट, ओके, that will enter our stomach. Okay, and then we fall sick. So that is the reason why we must regularly trim our nails. So let's do a quick check. Answer the following questions. Okay, what gives us energy to work and play? So किस चीज़ से हमें energy मिलती है in order to work and play? You have to name any 2 junk food items, 2 healthy food items. Okay, and you should also tell us कि when should we brush our teeth. Okay, दांत हमें कब brush करना चाहिए. Okay, tickle your brain. What will happen if everyone throws waste outside dustbins? Okay, अगर सब लोग waste जो होता है, कचरा जो होता है, कूड़ा कचरा अगर डस्टबिन के बाहर डालेंगे तो क्या होगा. Okay, think about it and tell. Remember, never bite your nails. Okay, अपने nails को bite नहीं करना चाहिए. So we've already spoken about the good food habits. हमने बात की है हम खुद को भी कैसे साफ सुथरा रख सकते हैं. Now we are going to talk about how can we keep our home clean. Okay, जहाँ हम रहते हैं वो जगह साफ सुथरी कैसे रखनी चाहिए. We all love our homes. Okay, we should keep our home clean and throw waste into the dustbin only. We should use separate dustbins for wet waste and dry waste. Wet waste includes fruit and vegetable peelings. The other types of waste are included in dry waste. Okay, so हमें सबको अपना घर जो है साफ सुथरा रखना चाहिए. Okay, जो कूड़ा कचरा होता है उसको डस्टबिन में डालना चाहिए. अब डस्टबिन में भी ऑल्सो यू हैव टू सेपरेट इट. ओके, सो जो सूखा कूड़ा होता है वो अलग एंड द वेट वेस्ट हैज़ टू बी केप्ट डिफरेंटली. ओके, सो हाउ कैन यू डू दैट? बाय कीपिंग 2 डस्टबिन्स एट होम. So let's explore. You have to take an empty carton. With the help of an adult, cut its mouth open. Paste a use me sticker on it. Use the same for your waste paper, pencil shavings, etc. Don't forget to empty it regularly. Okay, so आप एक छोटा सा डस्टबिन अपने लिए बना सकते हो. जैसे कि आपने एक छोटा सा कार्टन ले लिया. ओके, उस पर यूज़ मी का स्टिकर लगा दिया और इसमें आप जो भी पेंसिल जब आप शार्पन करते हो या फिर आपका जो वेस्ट पेपर होता है कोई क्राफ्ट एक्टिविटी करते वक्त, यू कैन थ्रो दैट इन दैट डस्टबिन एंड देन एम्प्टी द डस्टबिन इन द ड्राई वेस्ट. ओके, इफ इट इज़ अ ड्राई वेस्ट. Exercise and play. Exercise and play plays a major role in keeping us fit and healthy. Okay, exercise keeps our body fit. So we must exercise daily in fresh air. So हमेशा रोज हमें अच्छी खुली हवा में exercise करनी चाहिए. Okay, we can run. Okay, you can go for a run. You can do walking. You can do cycling, swimming. You can play. You can go for a jog. Alright, so these are different forms of exercises. Outdoor games, they make us healthy and they make us strong as well. Apart from exercise, okay, you need to have good rest. You need to sleep as well. So we get tired after working and playing. So our body, it needs rest. Rest refreshes us. Okay, we need to sleep for at least 8 hours at night. Okay, so apart हम जब बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ करते हैं, खेलते हैं, स्कूल जाते हैं, थक जाते हैं. So after we get tired, okay, if we rest for some time, okay, या when at night we sleep on time, okay, we feel very energetic the next day. अगर हम लोग रेस्ट नहीं करते, हम बराबर से सोते नहीं हैं, तो we feel very lethargic, lazy, okay. So if you don't want to be lethargic and lazy, it's better to be taking good rest and sleep as well, so that your body gets energetic again, okay. So let's do a quick recap of this chapter, okay, and about staying fit. So always remember one thing, okay, early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. This is a very famous saying, okay. So जो जल्दी सोते हैं, जो जल्दी उठते हैं, okay, they are always healthy, they are wealthy, okay, and they are wise people. All right. So now let's do a quick recap about this chapter, okay. Eating well. So we must eat healthy food, avoid junk food, we must wash fruits and vegetables properly, we must never skip our meal, okay. Keeping yourself clean, you must stay neat and clean, okay. Brush your teeth twice a day, take bath every day, wear clean clothes, comb your hair, trim your nails regularly, okay. So ये आदतें हमें साफ सुथरा रहने में हेल्प करती है. अपना घर साफ करने के लिए, साफ रखने के लिए, okay, how do we keep our home clean? By always throwing the garbage into the dustbins, okay, by putting the wet garbage in a separate bin and putting the dry garbage in a separate bin. Exercise and play, okay, when we exercise regularly in fresh air, when we play outdoor games, okay, when we rest, when we sleep, okay, we sleep for 8 hours, okay, we go to bed early, we wake up early, all these habits help us to stay fit. So I'm sure you're going to follow all these things that we have learned in this chapter, and you are going to start staying fit. So do a quick revision of this chapter, read it properly, and let's do these exercises in the assessment time. Choose the correct answer. We should avoid, okay, look at the picture. There are fruits, there are vegetables, and there's a burger. So what should we avoid? The burger. C. We should have how many meals a day? 2, 3 or 6? 3. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. We must do exercise daily, once a week or once a month, daily. Okay, right, true or false? We should eat healthy food? True. We should bite our nails? False. We should not throw waste into a dustbin? False. Fill in the blanks. Eating healthy food keeps our body fit or unfit? Fit. What is a junk food? Milk or pizza? Pizza. What is an exercise? Walking or watching TV? Walking. Okay, match the columns, column A with column B, okay. We should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. So mark 1 with D. We should exercise daily, 2 with C. We should sleep 8 hours at night. So 3 with A, okay, and we should wear clean clothes. So 4 with B, alright. So answer these questions in your own words. Why do we eat food? हम खाना क्यों खाते हैं? Okay, why should we eat fresh and nutritious food? And हमें दिन में कितने बार brush करना चाहिए? Alright, so these questions you have to answer in your own words. So think and tell. Why is biting nails not good for health? Okay, नाखून चबाना अपने हेल्थ के लिए अच्छा क्यों नहीं है, आपको बताना है. Okay, और अगर आप बहुत देर टीवी देखोगे, what will happen if you watch TV for long hours? Okay, fun time में, okay, with the help of your teacher and friends, you have to prepare a collage. एक collage बनाना है do's and don'ts का, okay, and कौन सी चीज़ें हमें करनी चाहिए और कौन सी नहीं करनी चाहिए in order to keep our classroom clean. Alright, make as many words as you can from staying fit. and write them in the given box. So abhi ye staying fit word se you can make different types of new words. Okay, so jaise ki you can make a fist, FIST. Okay, stay ho gaya ek word. All right, so likewise you can think and make more new words. All right. So let's see what we have in subject connect now. It's a quick poem on brushing. Here is my toothpaste, here's my brush. I won't hurry, I won't rush. Working hard to keep teeth clean, front and back and in between. So this is a quick poem about how do you brush your teeth, okay? So there are certain life skills and values which we can follow to stay healthy and fit. Okay, meditate for at least 10 minutes every day. It refreshes your mind. Okay, it takes away all the negative thoughts from your mind. Always wear clean clothes. हमेशा साफ सुथरे कपड़े पहनने चाहिए. And always keep your body clean. Okay, so these are certain values and skills that you must follow in order to stay fit and healthy. So I'm sure children, all of you are going to follow all these good habits and quickly read the chapter. Don't forget that you have certain fun activities that you need to do after you finish your exercises. Alright? So I hope children you have enjoyed learning this chapter as much as I have enjoyed teaching it to you. So बच्चों, I hope कि आपको सब reasons पता चल चुके हैं कि क्यों चीज़ें हो रही हैं, okay? और इसके behind का scientific reason क्या है. And I'm sure that you're going to share this knowledge, whatever you are learning, with others as well. And also, not assume things but understand things. Because जब हम लोग assume करते तब हम गलतियाँ करते. जब हम उसको understand करते, उसके behind जो भी formulas है या उसके behind जो भी scientific reasons है, उन्हें हम समझते हैं, तब हमारा knowledge और ज़्यादा बढ़ता है. And then we think in the right direction. So now children, quickly revise the chapter and complete whatever activities and exercises are there. Alright, get going.